Hello and welcome to Teratom's Nexus of Information. If you have not seen our previous videos for the Nexus, please feel free to check them out at your convenience. Today we're going to look at another addition to the Nexus that makes it one of a kind, the Garden of Analysis. In all companies who use a data warehouse like Teradata or Oracle or a plethora of other systems, all queries users perform are done within the system, even if that query is just running the same answer set through different analysis throughout the day. So Teratom thought, why not use the power of the user's PC to clear up some of the traffic being directed towards the system? With the Garden of Analysis, instead of every query being run through a company's system, it pulls an answer set out to the user's PC, and then they use the PC's own memory to do additional analysis. Let's show you how this works. So right now we've opened up the Nexus and our system has been set to Teradata and our database is now being set to SQL_class. Now I'm just going to use the query window to select everything from, let's choose the sales table. We hit execute and we get an answer set. Let's get a few more answer sets before hopping into the analysis, shall we? So we open up a new query and we can do this by doing a quick Control-N. As we see, that's a shortcut to make a new query window. We go over to Oracle in the system tree, and then we quickly open up the database, find the table we want, which is, let's go with employee_table. We right click on the table, and then we select Quick Select to have the query automatically created for us. We hit execute, we get the answer set, and as we see, it appears at the bottom like our Teradata set did. Let's do one more system, shall we? Let's choose an SQL Server. So let's hit Control-N to get a new query window. Let's go to the SQL Server in the system tree, and let's open up a table. You know what? Let's choose the sales table again. And now let's do a quick select on that and run the query for an answer set. Fantastic. We've run 3 queries for 3 different systems and gotten 3 different answer sets. Now, it doesn't matter which answer set you focus on. For now, just keep with the SQL Server answer set. On every one of your answer set, you will see a Result tab, and then you will see the Garden of Analysis tab. Let's go ahead and click on that right now to open up the Garden of Analysis. Oh my, look how pretty this is. Right now, the Garden of Analysis has several result sets. These are the last queries I've run. This one is our Teradata query, the next is our Oracle, and the one after that is our SQL Server. Now this is the most important thing you have to do in order to use the Garden of Analysis. You first have to select which result sets you're going to run analysis on. You do this by right-clicking on the result set you desire. Let's choose the Teradata sales table. A drop-down menu will appear, and then you just select Set as Active Result Set. When it is selected, you see the tab is highlighted in red. Now, if you ever need to leave the Garden of Analysis, just hit the blue arrow here and you'll be back to your main Nexus screen. But you know what? Let's stick around and explore for now. Since we've selected our active result set, we can move up to the menu tabs up here. Let's hit, the Aggregate tab. Every tab in the menu is very easy to use. You pick and choose your column in each area. In this example, we're going to define the aggregate by daily sales. We're going to group by product ID. We can choose a function or a where clause if we want, and we just go down here and click Create. Wow, look at that. An Aggregate Result tab appears right behind our active result set. Let's go to the OLAP function up here and run that as well. OLAP by daily sales, sort by product ID, partition if we want, choose an OLAP function or functions, set a moving window, and now you just hit create. Bam! The OLAP function goes right behind the Teradata answer set as well. Again, this whole thing is done not on the system, it's done via your own PC. You can even freeze columns in your answer set and scroll to the right so you can see every column in the table. Just go to the area here, grab hold of this section right here, and drag it to the right. Any column to the left will be frozen. Then you can just scroll to the right at your leisure. Convenient as always. If we were to go to the Rank tab and select some options, we can have several new tabs waiting for us behind our selected Result tab. Take a look. The same thing goes for grouping sets depending on what we run. As you move down the tabs in the table, you just fill in each area with a column or selection and then you just hit create. It's that simple. If we go to a new result set, let's say the SQL_Server result set, and set it as our active result set, we could start doing analysis on that instead. We can use the Quantile tab, which helps us get quantile reports, the top tab to get the top values, and the sort tab to sort the result set. And if we want to make that descending order, just click on the column again. Look at that. The quantiles, tops, and sort reports are behind the SQL Server results. Nicely done. As you can see, the Garden of Analysis is a powerful tool, but we're not done talking about it yet. In our upcoming videos, we will be exploring the remaining tabs of the Garden of Analysis. Stay tuned.